Because there is no goal. If you're in the comfort zone, I'll make in global 13 years. 13 years. 4 years ka na, wala pa rin nangyayari sa'yo. Kaya naman pala 4 years, 13 years mo pa ginawa. Because you don't have goals. But when I set a goal, the greater the goal, the greater the pressure, the greater the effort.
Yes.
At first, there's no goal. I just asked Mario if he can walk in the normal pace. That's 13. No goals. So the plan is comfort zone. The action is comfortable. He walks at a comfortable pace. Then I asked him a favor. Can you make it lesser steps? Did he make 8? -5. Then I make a goal. If you make it 7, there's a consolation prize. If you make it 6, there's another prize. If you make it 5, you get all the prizes. Did he exert effort after that?
Yes.
Is there a bigger goal?
Yes.
From 13 to 5.
Power.
Different plan. Are you tired? Hiningal, di ba? You're catching your breath right now, right?
Yes.
Because his action is different from the first. And it all boils down, listen guys, to this one. It all boils down to goals. And what's the goal? Is 5, but you make it 4. Because you make effort. You think outside the box. You get out of your comfort zone. That's how important goals are. Next, let's talk about goals. Yes. Goals is a dream with a deadline. If you dream but you don't have a deadline, that's not a goal. That's why we have a lot of dreams, but until now we are not getting our dreams because you don't put a date. We're always telling ourselves, someday I'll get rich. Someday I'll go home. Someday I'll go home to the Philippines for good. Actually, it will never happen. In Tagalog, that's balang araw. In English, there's someday. Because in calendar, there's no someday. Only Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, there's no someday. If you want something, what date are you getting that dream? Next, if you're setting a goals, number 1, be specific. Number 2, measurable. Number 3, attainable. Number 4, realistic. Number 5, time-bound. Actually, in number 6 pa, stop. Just challenging. And when you read the first letter, it spells SMART. SMART C. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, time frame, and challenging. But we are used to creating specific goals. What specific? How many millions do you like? Or you have your list. What car do you want? What car do you like? You know how important the specific goals are? Listen to this. I have a Mercedes-Benz, and I'll give it to you for free. Do you want it?
Yes.
Do you want Mercedes-Benz?
Yes.
For free.
Yes.
Color black. Do you want elegant? Elegant?
White.
Oh, it's very exclusive. It's very exclusive. Mercedes color black with long back and curtains and with band. There's still a car. Listen, it's still a Mercedes-Benz. But why do you say no? Because it's for the dead. In the Philippines, it's cow. Funeral car. So you must be specific. Lord, I want money. Then God gave you 10,000 won. Lord, why 10,000? Only one. Because you only said money, not how much. I don't know how much. If you ask something, be specific. If you want money, how much? If you want car, what's the color? What's the brand? How much? But normally when we create dream board, we are so specific. But the 4 last words, MART, we forgot. We are always
Smart. Smart
We
pa.
don't put it in our goals. It's fun to be specific.